Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: merchant account, PCI status, and the exact terminal model so commands match hardware. Next, install drivers or SDK tools. This is necessary so the terminal and computer speak the same protocol. Once installed, enable the serial or USB port and grant permissions. Connect the terminal to power and network, and prepare a live or test card plus a small authorization amount like $1 to validate. Make sure to document credentials securely before moving on. You now execute the transaction through the CLI or SDK. Set the terminal ID, transaction type, amount, and currency, then send the command. Once sent, watch the device prompt and instruct the cardholder to insert, tap, or swipe. This follows EMV or magstripe flow. Why it matters is reliability and risk reduction. After the terminal returns a response, parse approval, and AVS/CVV indicators, mask the PAN for logs, and store the authorization reference. This ensures traceability and compliance. You finish by capturing a receipt and settling the batch. Make sure the terminal posts to your merchant gateway, then reconcile totals with the dashboard. If a card declines, examine AVS and CVV codes, retry once, and request an alternate payment method if needed. If things go wrong, like connection failures or unexpected error codes, check network links, sync terminal time, and apply firmware updates. Inspect CLI logs for updo or gateway error details. One key troubleshooting tip: always verify terminal time and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.